Let's do a very simple and super cool science experiment today. And it's the lava lamp. My kids enjoy this experiment and love to explore the movement in colorful water and oil. Let's do it. For this experiment, we need beaker, glass or a clear water bottle, water, oil, Alka-Seltzer or any other effervescent tablet, and food coloring. Effervescent tablets are also called carbon tablets or fizzing tablets. These are designed to dissolve in water quickly and release carbon dioxide gas. For making a lava lamp, fill the beaker about 1/4 with water. Add few drops of food coloring of your choice, as I am adding orange color.
Next.
Keep this colored water in another container and fill the beaker almost 3/4 with oil. You can use any oil, vegetable oil or baby oil. Now add the colored water into the beaker. Water and oil do not mix, and the oil also doesn't change its color because of the colored water. You can see blobs of colored water in the oil. Take the fizzing tablet into 3 or 4 pieces and add these tablets into the beaker. As soon as you drop the tablet, the magic will start, and you can see the blobs of colored water and the fizz rising to the top. When we add the tablet, it sinks to the bottom and then dissolve in the colored water. As it dissolves, it makes a gas called the carbon dioxide gas. Gas is lighter than water, so it floats to the top, and the air bubbles bring some colored water with them to the top. Even you can hear the fizzing sound of the carbon dioxide gas coming out from the beaker. The air bubbles bring some colored water with them to the top, and when this air comes out from the colored water blob, the water gets heavy again and sinks. It happens over and over again until the tablet is completely dissolved. So, once it's over, you can even add more tablets to keep the fizz going. We enjoyed making lava lamp and did it again with different colors. Hope you enjoyed this simple experiment today. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.